Hi everyone, today you will learn photo manipulation in Photoshop. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Let's start. Go to File and open Mobile Image. Unlock this layer and open Quick Selection tool. To make selection of mobile and hand, you can use any selection tool. When you make it, then press on small mask icon. Now, to remove screen part of mobile, I will use polygonal lasso tool. This can also be done with pen tool, but for beginners I will use lasso tool. Also remove this part around thumb. Then, press backspace. This will delete the part we selected. While using polygonal tool, make sure to click this option, press Ctrl+0 to fit file on screen. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. After this, open crop tool. In options, select custom resolution, use this setting and adjust. Now we will make a unique background. Add white solid color from effects. Press Ctrl+T to adjust, also rotate it and click OK. Select background layer, and double-click on it, add pattern overlay. I have downloaded this paper pattern. You can import new patterns from options. Blend mode is normal, opacity is 100, angle is 0. Now add gradient overlay. Style is radial, open gradient editor, where I have used only 2 colors. Note this gray color. Other color is black. Scale is 150, then click OK. Now, create a new layer. Press P to open pen tool. Make selection of the screen. Color is white and stroke is off. Then, go to File and place road image. Decrease its opacity to adjust it, by matching lower corners of screen with road. Once you fit it at the right place, press Ctrl+J to copy. Increase its opacity. And hide first layer for later. Right-click second layer and create clipping mask. Image will fit it the shape you made with pen tool. If your shape is wrong at some point, you can still change it. For this, press Ctrl+T, right-click and select Warp. Activate first layer and decrease its opacity. Open Polygonal Lasso tool, this time make selection to remove it. Use eraser tool and remove this part. Press Ctrl+D to deselect, increase its opacity, erase this side image also. Add brightness to both image layers. To make it more realistic, we will add a subject to this image. Go to File and select your image. Use Quick Selection tool to select subject. Press Ctrl+J to separate subject. Now, we will match subject's color to background. For this, add photo filter. Use warming filter as it will perfectly match subject with the background. Add some brightness to enhance subject. If you like this tutorial, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.